What is up, guys? It's Pedro from French Sugar Red here with another fucking unboxing video. Got this piece of shit today. It's Legendary Collection 1, the Game Board edition. So it comes with a game board, of course. That's why it's fucking called the Game Board edition. I think these are unplayable fucking god cards, so fucking useless, and some cheap reprints of Dark Magician, Blue Eyes, and Dark Magician, and then fucking Red Eyes African American Dragon, because we don't do that racist shit here. So it comes with some 6 old booster packs. Whoa, my voice just cracked. Boosters packs. It's Meta Raiders, Invasion of Chaos, Dark Crisis, The Legend of Blue Eyes, White Dragon, Sparrow Ruler, and Pharaoh Saving. Let's get this shit started. Okay, so I got this from GameStop. Buy one, get one free. You know I'm a broke ass, so I should get this. There's some nice hieroglyphics on this. This is an old fucking set, so if you guys are watching this, you probably already bought one of these. So you can actually feel these hieroglyphics. Now let's lift this shit up. Oh shit, from throwing this fucking came out. So the promo cards. So this is the Obelisk, the Tormentor. So you see the blue back, so it's not playable. Doesn't even have the effect on it, but you can see it. Let me focus it. It doesn't have an effect on it. It's basically just like the ones in the show. Like it has the special thing in the description. Fucking shit. It's hard getting this in focus. So Slifer, Obelisk, and the Winged Dragon of Raw. I have like so many of these, so it's like whatever. So Hollow Blue Eyes, the Dark Magician, and the Red Eyes African American Dragon. So it comes with some packs. So you see Dark Crisis, of course, Invasion of Chaos, Spell Rulers, Pharaoh Servant, Meta Raiders, and amazing fucking Legend of Blue Eyes. So fucking expensive to get one of these. So that's last. Invasion of Chaos. This is the... Okay, put these to the side right now. So here you get a little game board. Outdated fucking game board, I guess. What can you... This is the back of it. You can't even see the whole thing. Yeah, it's an outdated game board. You can see there's no pendulum spots or fucking pendulum or what the fuck is it called? Link Monsters now, or the Extra Monster, I guess. I mean, but yeah, you guys know. So first up, we're opening. Editing Pedro here. So I want to let you guys know that this video was shot on Christmas. I'm editing this on the 29th of March, so it's been 3 months since I've shot this, so I'm that backed up. I have way more videos from around that time to post. Anyway, that's not important right now. So instead of my usual, price of the cards, and this is a reprint set, I'd rather have it be the cost of like the packs of the original packs. So how much Legend of Blue Eyes from 2002, whenever it was released, would cost to get now, because I find that a lot more interesting. And we have a good day. Spell Rulers. Oh shit, I hit my camera. So first thing first is Minar, Stone Ogre Grotto, Flash Assailant, Mystic Plasma Zone, Horn of the Unicorn, Ancient One of the Deep Forest, Final Destiny, Weather Report, and Ceremonial Bell. Nothing interesting there, I guess. Well, I don't know. Next up is Pharaoh's Servant, Yugi. So, driving snow, metal detector, 7 completed, insect intimidation, ooh, a shift, wing weaver, Solomon's law book, some shit I can't pronounce, and gift of the mystical elf. Man, these are so fucking expensive to pick up. Like, shit, man. That, especially those fucking Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Those shits are. I think I've seen them selling for $100 a pack for the unlimited edition ones. So like these reprinted ones. Contract with the Dark Master. Shadow Knight Archfiend. Checkmate. Oh, Ojama Trio. Legendary Flame Lord, Thousand Needles, Spell Reproduction, Dark Scorpion, the Gorg the Strong, and Incandescent Ordeal. Next up, Metal Raiders. So we get to the good ones at Legend of Blue Eyes. Just the 3 through front, see. So Battle Steer, Uguchi, Paralyzing Potion, Baby Dragon, Lebrianth Tank, Dream Clown, Mystic Swordsman, Horseman, Sangan, that's a good card. Blast Juggler. Wow, 2 packs left already. Fucking 7 minutes already. So just Invasion of Chaos is next. So, Fiend's Hand Mirror, Chopman, the Desperate Outlaw, Chaos Necromancer, Green Manju the Urza, Primal Seed, Gale Lizard, Ojama Yellow, Enraged Battle Ox, and Tower of the Fable. Last deck unbox. Didn't get the Chaos Emperor Dragon or the Blackluster Soldier, but come on, give me a Blue Eyes, baby. I don't really expect much from these packs, honestly. But let's just see. So, Remove Trap, the Furious Sea King, Dark Energy, Electro Whip, fucking Tesla, Frenzied Panda, Hino Tamaso. Ooh, a Polymerization Hollow. Not fucking bad. Metal Dragon and M Warrior #1. So, didn't pull the Blue Eyes, a Chaos Emperor Dragon, or a fucking it's called a Blackluster Soldier, but it was a cool set. I have some more coming soon, so yeah, have a great day, guys. I'm out.